What's going on, guys? Welcome to another CBD video. Today we're going to be looking at the blue RAZZ from the goods, coming in at 80% CBD. Before we do anything, we're going to open this up and give you guys a smell test. And I'm going to say, this smells so good. So good. Sound really stupid when I say this, but it's kind of a good way to explain it. This just smells blue. Any sort of sweet that's got a blue colour to it, this smells like that. I'm getting quite a sour, dark fruit smell from this one, but I'm also getting quite a sweet tropical smell from this one. This kind of covers all the sweet terpene profile ranges. It literally does smell just like a sweet, like a raspberry sweet. And the one thing I can closely link this to smell-wise, if you're in the UK, you know what this is, but there's a sweet called Millions. They're just little chewy balls, and the blue Millions smell just like this. Wow. It smells so good, so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean. This is probably fast becoming one of my favourite goods terpene profiles. So now that the smell test is done, let's see what this stuff looks like up close. And this is the blue RAZZ, and as you'll see from these close-ups, it looks more like a hard-boiled sweet, but it's definitely got more of a crunchy texture to it. This stuff looks amazing. And now that the close-ups are done, there's only one thing to do now, and that is have a session with this blue RAZZ. We've got the titanium heated up, we've got our dab rig clean and ready to go, and we've also got our Dynavap with a Dyna coil inside. So we're kind of touching on a few bases here when it comes to actually using these extracts. So let's heat up this banger and see what this blue RAZZ tastes like. 30-second heat up, 30-second cool down. I'm going to be taking quite a big dab here because I've just finished leg day, so this session's going to help. That was a really nice low temp dab. A lot cooler than I thought it was going to be, but it was nice because I really got to taste those terpenes. And I was getting actually kind of like a sherbet taste from that, like sherbet sweets. I was getting that sort of taste there. I think we're going to heat up that banger again and go for more of a hot hit on the next one. Let's see if we can get some big clouds with this one. Ooh, yeah, really got to taste that terpene profile on those hits. Wow. And now we're just going to do a little cold start dab. Let's see how that goes. Ooh. Wow. These dabs are hitting me already. Whew. But there is no rest for the wicked. So our titanium is heated up. Let's take a couple of dabs with this one. And now, with the titanium heated up, let's take a dab. Ooh. That titanium hits. Whew, let's clear that. Wow. The terpene profile, it is just crazy. It's just got that blue taste to it. I don't really know how to best explain the flavour, but it's just like sweet blue. Let's take one more hit in the titanium, and I've turned up the heat a little bit. Ooh. Man, I've been wanting some big hits in this session, but it seems like I'm only taking terpy hits. And now that the dab rig and the titanium are out of the way, I think I've only got one more thing to trust, and that is the Dynavap. I'm hoping that I can get a nice big hit off this. So let's heat up this oven with the Dynacoil in it for about 10 seconds just to get some heat in there. Then we'll drop the extracts onto the coil, put the cap on, get some big heat onto that cap, and see how the hit comes out. There we go. Let's drop the extracts onto the coil. We're going to put the cap on, quickly heat it up a little, wait for that click, and then let's see what type of hit we're going to get off this. I think this is going to be a pretty big one. Whoa. Ooh. I can always trust in my Dynavap. Wow. And that was a good dab session after leg day today. That is definitely what I needed. I am super chilled out now. So what do I think about this blue RAZZ from the Goods? Let's start off with the looks, and I'm going to say the Goods have really improved their wax recently. It used to be a lot more firm and waxy, whereas now it's almost like a glassy consistency. It looks amazing, it looks super clean. Everything about this just looks great. I really can't fault where the Goods are going with their waxes now and their extracts as a whole, because it seems like they're on a mission to make the best, most pure extract possible, and they're not messing around with this blue RAZZ. This one looks amazing. And now let's get to the smell. And I said earlier in the review, this has quickly become one of my favourite smelling extracts. The sweetness, the freshness, I really like this terpene profile. It's got that dark fruit smell to it, but it has got those tropical smells to it as well. And I know it's a terrible way to explain it, but this just smells blue. It's almost like any fruit that's got a purple or blue tinge to it. This smells like it. And now let's get to the taste. And I've got to say, it tastes how it smells. This one tastes amazing. I've done cold start dabs. I've hit it in a titanium. I've hit it in a Dynavap. I've mixed it with flour. And it really does add that extra sweet aspect to it. It's got that really nice berry side of it. It's got that nice sweetness to it. I really love the terpene profile on this one. Flavour-wise, this one is amazing. And now do I think this is best at day or nighttime? I've got to say that I think this is definitely a daytime thing, where flour is definitely more suited for the afternoons and evenings when you're ready to relax. I really do feel like this is the perfect wake and bake item. It wakes me up, it makes me alert, it clears my head, makes me focused, and I feel like this one is definitely a daytime thing to use. If you want that extra pick-me-up, if you want to be a little bit more alert, a little bit more focused throughout the day, this wax from the Goods is definitely going to do that for you. And now let's get to the effects. And going off what I've just said, this one really is great for tuning in and focusing on something. If you've got work that you need to do, or you just really need to kind of be in a focused mood, this is perfect. When it comes to video editing and stuff like that, this stuff has been an absolute dream. But the effect I love most about this is the pain relief. When I need strong pain relief, I always go to the extracts, and the blue RAZZ is no different. I had upper body yesterday. My whole upper body has just been burning me all day. I have a session with this and it just melts the pain away. On a scale of 0 being no pain relief and 10 being complete pain relief, this is up there. You're not really going to get many CBD products that kill pain like these CBD extracts do. I'm going to put this up there as like a 9, a 9.5. This stuff is amazing for pain relief. I don't feel couch locked at all. I don't feel high at all. I don't have that feeling in my eyes like I normally do with flour. I just feel focused. I feel relaxed. I feel ready to accomplish any sort of things that I need to do. If you're a busy person, I think this extract would fit perfect into your lifestyle. And overall, the goods have done it again. They're constantly bringing out crazy terpene profiles when it comes to these extracts, and it seems like they're doing their best to make them as pure as possible too. They're not just sitting on what they've got, they're trying to improve their products as much as possible, and this Blue RAZZ is no different. Smell, the looks, the taste, the effects. This one's a winner for me. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to leave a thumbs up, put some comments in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys later.